Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to duplicate unenchanted staffs. First, you need to travel to Dawnstar, a small port town in the northern part of Skyrim. This method relies on a hidden merchant chest that can be accessed near the Ironbreaker mine. It's crucial that the Kajiat caravan, led by Akari, is currently encamped outside Dawnstar for this glitch to work. Always make a quick save before you begin, just in case something goes awry. Once in Dawnstar, head towards the Ironbreaker mine. Just behind the mine's entrance, there's a specific spot among the rocks where you can access the hidden chest. You'll need to crouch and carefully maneuver your camera until the Open Akari's inventory prompt appears. This can be a bit tricky, requiring precise positioning, but once you find the sweet spot, you'll be able to interact with the invisible container. Now for the duplication itself. Open Akari's inventory through the hidden chest. Place all the unenchanted staffs you want to duplicate into this chest. After you've transferred your items, simply wait for a full 48 in-game hours. You can use the wait function for this. Once the time has passed, return to the same spot, re-access the chest, and you will find your original staffs, plus the duplicated copies, ready for you to collect. This powerful duplication method isn't limited to just staffs. It works for many unenchanted items, including weapons, armor, and crafting materials. Remember, the Kajiat caravan must be in Dawnstar for the chest to be active and for its inventory to reset. If they leave, you'll need to wait for them to return. The duplicated items will be exact copies, retaining their original quality and any tempering. Enjoy your newfound abundance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.